everyone, it's me, Jennysrp. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bit of a casual unboxing. I got caught off guard because I thought that my Love Lula subscription had expired and I didn't re-enroll in time to get my November box, but somehow a box came today. I actually opened it because I thought I actually ordered conditioner and some body butter from Love Lula's store yesterday, so I thought it had just come really fast, but actually it was my beauty box. So here it is. I already opened it, but I haven't taken a look at the products yet because I saw right on top was my beauty box information card, so I was like, oh no, I have to record this. So welcome to the November Love Lula beauty box subscription. Oh boy, my hair is having fun. Okay, so first there's this tiny little card that talks about the Facebook group. The Facebook group is really cool and they do a really good job of moderating it, so it sticks to Love Lula's kind of ethics and wellness and shop and the kinds of beauty that goes with the Love Lula brand. So I think it's a really well moderated Facebook group. If you're interested, check that out. The Love Lula Natural Beauty Club on Facebook. So here's our card. I can already tell it's a smaller box than usual, which is why I thought it was the items that I ordered. But that's just because the sizes of the products are there's not one single giant thing. So let's take a look at what we got. First is this Nature's Kitchen Kiwi Apple and Cucumber Skin Soothing Face Wash. It cleanses away impurities and toxins with super soft kiwi, apple, and cucumber for smoother, softer, and youthful looking skin. I like this brand. We got a hand cream or body cream in one of the previous boxes, and it's a really good quality solid cream. So I'm excited to try this. Smells really fresh. I think I'm gonna like that a lot. Kiwi and apple is very summertimey, but I think this still will be really nice. And it looks, instead of a gel, it's like a creamy kind of cleanser, so I think that will be good. Definitely for this time of the year. Excellent. And it's a full size too, so that's really nice. It's not just a tester, it's like you get a full size product that you get to try, and if you love the brand, you just buy more on the Love Lula website. It's awesome. Next, we have the Ayumi Coconut Hair Oil. It is a bit solidified because it is chilly today, and it does say that it is solid at sort of room temperature, so it says to run under warm water or to warm up a little bit before using it. And I have a coconut oil and I didn't really know how to use it, but this says to rub it into your scalp and your hair before you go to bed and then wash as normal the next morning. So it's sort of like a leave-in scalp and hair treatment, which I think is really nice, especially in the summer when your especially in the autumn and winter when your scalp can get really dry. I can't wait to try this. I think I'll do it tonight since I'm about ready to give it a wash tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Oh, I can smell like rosemary. I was going to say sage, but I think it's rosemary. Oh yeah. Henna, lemon, rosemary, and amla. I don't know what amla is. Ayurveda ritual. Excellent. It's cruelty-free and vegan, so that's really cool. I think I've tried some of the body washes from this brand and they're nice too. Full size. Ooh, Madara Hemp Lip Balm. Now, if you've watched my previous Love Lula unboxings, you'll see that pretty much every box there's a Madara product. Love Lula's selection of brands is a smaller, it's quite a curated group of brands that are offered through their beauty box and their website, and they all follow sort of a more organic, natural beauty ethics kind of formula. But if you do go to Love Lula's shop, they have a huge variety of stuff to buy. There's no shortage of products and brands to choose from. So while it does seem kind of smaller than the scope of some of the more poppier beauty boxes, the quality of the brands are really good on Love Lula. So this is a hemp lip conditioning balm. That's quite a large box for a lip balm. 100% natural, 89% organic, perfect. The first few ingredients look really good. Actually, it looks like all the ingredients look really good. So this looks like ooh, it's a tube. Ooh, I'm pleased. Look at how cool that is, and it's black. That's kind of hip, right? That's super cool. Ooh. As you know, I am a loyalist to the Burt's Bees. I have bought hundreds of Burt's Bees, just the plain simple formula lip balm, because every time I've tried another lip balm, I don't like the way it tastes. I don't like the way it feels on my lips. I very rarely wear lip color unless I'm doing a video or going to a very special event. But let's see how this stacks up. I have a lip crayon on, so... Ooh, it's like a really thick, like Vaseline-y kind of, what do you call it? Not gel, not cream. Nice! I think that's gonna be excellent for the winter, and I'm actually going to Colorado for Christmas, and it gets very cold there. I think this is gonna be great for lip protection in that kind of cold. That's really nice. That's not like a dinky sample that you get in one of the other boxes, right? Next we have the, Oils of Heaven Organic Apricot Revitalizing Face Oil. Well, now I've got about 6 face oils that I've received in the last 2 months, so I might as well just use them very generously, right? That's great value for your money, though, with these beauty boxes, is getting something like face oil, because they generally cost, 15, 20 pounds, even up to like 40 pounds, depending on what brand you're getting. So we'll try a little bit of this on my hand. It smells like cooking oil, actually. I guess because it's apricot, I thought it would smell fruitier, but it's the kind of nuttier smell that you get with the apricot seed. Let's see what it says. Oh, that makes sense. Pressed from oil-rich kernels of the apricot fruit and resembles a natural sebum produced by your skin. Great for dry and sensitive skin. It helps revitalize soft and tired-looking skin while smoothing fine lines. Excellent. And I'm actually going to have another one coming because I made my first Love Lula shop purchase yesterday and used my Love Lula 15 code to get 15% off and a free Argan face oil. I think it's face oil. We'll see. It's coming. And I think it's by the same brand, so I'm going to have another one of these soon. Next, we have 2 samples. These are just tiny little samples. The Beauty Pageant Formula Food Supplement, it's a 5-gram powder with carob turmeric and camu powder. I have no idea what it's for, so I'm actually going to have to look it up. But all of the ingredients are very, very basic. Carob powder, lucuma powder, camu powder, cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, blueberry, and coconut sugar. So I'm assuming it's some sort of like antioxidant or anti-inflammatory supplement, but it doesn't really say. It doesn't have any ingredients in it that make it like a difficult or challenging. Oh, here we go. Helps to keep the skin healthy, helps maintain health of joints and bones, maintain the health of the liver, and support digestion. So they're basically selling it as a turmeric anti-inflammatory sort of supplement, which is very mild, so nothing to be afraid of. I was a little nervous when it said it was a supplement because you don't want to just throw around supplements, right? And the second one is a Joic I think is how you say it. Eye cream. Now I've also got a bunch of eye creams, so I'll use this one pretty quickly, maybe tonight. I don't really know if you can get a whole lot out of just one tiny sample like this, but I guess it's enough to see if you're like allergic to something. So that's a pretty awesome box. It says the total value of the box is 48 pounds, which is lower than their usual total count, which is usually 55 to 60 pounds, as you'll see on my previous openings. But even without the little samples, these are 4 full-sized items that are all really good and really useful. So I think it's still just so worth your money. And with the Love Lula kind of ethics and wellness and natural brand formulas and brands that they choose, you're not likely to have any kind of bad reaction to anything. So I think it's really worth checking out, especially if you're looking for more natural beauty stuff. Because definitely some of the more pop boxes have a lot of ingredients that are questionable. These are all ingredients that are not gonna like interfere with your body in any negative way. So I'm really into that, and healthy beauty is awesome. So another wonderful box from Love Lula, and a great surprise because I thought I was gonna miss November. So I'm really glad that I have it. I haven't figured out yet how I have it, but I'm glad that I do, and hopefully we'll have another one next month once I can figure out what's going on with my subscription. Unlike Birchbox or Glossybox, Love Lula is a smaller organization, so I'll let you know how the customer service and stuff happens going forward with that. And we'll see. I'm not sure how I'm going to review this box this month. I don't think I want to do it with Glossybox and Birchbox anymore. I think they're just different audiences, different customers that they're tailoring towards. So we'll see. But I highly recommend the Love Lula Natural Beauty Shop Beauty Box, because I think it's fabulous, especially if you're looking for skincare products and hair care products and things like that. I think it's great. So highly recommend. 10 out of 10 from me, even though it looks like it has a lower overall value than some of their previous boxes, maybe since the first box I got. But I mean, a 48 pound box for about 13, 14 pounds is absolutely stunning. So I love it. We'll see you very soon. I hope you guys take good care of each other. Lots of love. Have a great week. I don't know what day this is.